The Extreme Home Repair team took their first steps forward as they met together and prayed over Tana's house. Tana has been living here for over 14 years. She loves this house, but she also says it is in desperate need of repairs. Walls have been punched through. Tiles have been torn away. The roof leaks badly, and the house has absolutely no insulation.
The sheetrock's gone behind it. There's no insulation. The tile have come off, so it's sad.
The Extreme Home Repair team has a hefty job in front of them, but they're already laying plans. In August, they plan to turn this house into a pleasant, comfortable place for Tana to live. So Tana, what was the first emotions that entered your mind when you heard that this was the home that was going to be repaired with this ministry?
Immensely thrilled. I couldn't believe myself. I just couldn't believe it that this was happening to me.
It seemed like
it's never ever happened before. I was overjoyed. I didn't know what to think or say or do. It's never happened to me before.
Wow, it just seemed like a dream.
Absolutely. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to say.